here's our next adventure. I'm taking Soph Dog out in the blizzard. You can see a little bit outside how crazy it is. And here's the Soph Dog. Sophie, go outside. Waiting to go out into this snow blizzard. Alright. Go ahead. Go, Sophie. Go. She doesn't know what to do. Sophie, your feet disappear. Go, come on, go pee-pee. This is what it looks like. Oh, you can see the snow piled up already on our thing. That is a lot of snow. So, I'm gonna try to get Sophie to go out. Holy cow, look at my feet. They're no longer there. See, there's my boot, kind of, you can see it. But when I step in the snow, my whole foot disappears. Alright, go Soph. Jump on down. Jump on down, girl. Go pee-pee. Hurry, Sophie, go pee-pee. This is the craziest snow I've ever been in.